Hello viewers, welcome to the right episode of knowledge sharing. Before continuing, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question. It's from WASSCE 2024 May-June General Mathematics. Question number 5, and it says a basket contains 3 gold plate marbles, 4 diamond marbles, and some silver marbles, all of the same size and shape. 2 marbles were drawn from the basket at random, one after the other, without replacement. The probability that the 2 marbles were all silver is 1 all over 15. Find the number of silver marbles. So this is a probability problem. So we are going to find the number of silver marbles. So we have here solution. So here, let's represent gold marble as number of G, which is equal to 3. And also diamond, we have number of D, which is equal to 4. That's for the diamond marble. Then we have silver, which is number of S. Let's call it Y, because we are here to find the number of silver marble. Here, the total number of marble inside here, we have N. That's the total number of marble is going to be 3, which is going to be number of gold plus number of diamond plus number of silver will give us the total number of marble inside this basket. So here, the total number of marble inside the basket will give us G here is 3 plus diamond, which is 4, then plus here we have the silver as Y. So this will become the total number of marble inside the basket will give us 7 plus Y. So this is the total outcome for this probability. And we are told that the probability that the 2 marbles were all silver is, when the 2 marbles are picked from the basket, they were all silver, is 1 all over 15. So here, the 2 marbles, which is 1 all over 15, that we pick, if it is silver, because it says that it's drawn from the basket at random, one after the other, without replacement. So the first outcome of the silver, which is Y, all over the total outcome will be 7 plus Y times, or we do it this way. This will give us the probability that the 2 of them are picked, that becomes silver, will be probability of 2 marble pick being silver will be equals to the number of silver times the probability of number of silver again. So this will become probability of the 2 marble, let's say 2 marble pick, is going to be the number of silver, which is the first one. The outcome is going to be Y all over the total outcome, which is 7 plus Y. We have 7 plus Y. That is for the first marble, which is silver. If we pick another one, we still have as a silver because it is drawn at random, one after the other, without replacement. So this will become times Y minus 1, because the first one is picked without replacement. So it's going to be minus 1 for the first one. Then the total outcome is going to be 7 plus Y minus 1, because we pick it without replacement. By multiplying this out, the total number of 2 marbles that picked being silver will give us Y times Y minus 1 all over 7 plus Y times, we have here 7 plus Y minus 1. This is 7 minus 1 will give us 6 plus Y. So this is what we have. If we multiply this out, the probability of the 2 marble pick being silver equals to Y times Y is Y squared. Then Y times minus 1 will give us minus Y. All over, we have 7 times 6 is going to give us 42. Then 7 times Y is going to give us plus 7Y. Then Y times 6 give us plus 6Y. Then Y times Y will give us plus Y squared. So this is what we have. So when we expand this, we have Y squared minus Y all over, we have here 42 plus 7Y plus 6Y is going to give us 13Y plus Y squared. So this is what we have. So further simplifying this, so we need to clean this. So as we're told here, we are told that the probability that we pick the two marble that were silver equals to 1 all over 15. So here we have 1 all over 15. We are not going to use this again. 1 all over 15. So that will become 1 all over 15 equals to y squared minus y all over 42 plus 13y plus y squared. So when we have this, what we need to do is to cross multiply. When we cross multiply, it's going to give us 15 into y squared minus y equals to 42 plus 13y plus y squared. So here we can expand this. 15 times y squared give us 15y squared. 15 times minus y will give us minus 15y equals to 42 plus 13y plus y squared. Here we can transpose this other side, right hand side, to the left hand side. This will give us 15y squared. Then here we come here, minus y squared, minus 15y. Here we come here, minus 13y minus 42 equals to 0. In this case, we have 15y squared minus y squared will give us 14y squared. Then we have minus 15y minus 13y will give us minus 28y minus 42 equals to 0. In this case, we can see that 14 is a factor of these three. So 14, divide all through by 14. Here divide by 14, here divide by 14, and here divide by 14. 14 cancel here 1, 14 cancel here. 14 cancel here 1, 14 cancel here 2, and 14 cancel here 1, 14 cancel here 3. Therefore, we can move over to this other side. Then we clean this. We can simply say that we have here as y squared minus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. From here, this is what we have there. And you can look at it. This is a quadratic equation. And what we are going to do is for us to find the value of y, so that will serve us as the number of marble that is silver that we are picking from this probability. Here, we are going to use a factorization method for us to find the value of y. How do we do that? We need to multiply minus 3 by y squared, which will give us minus 3y squared. So two factors that when we add or subtract will give us minus 2y. That means we have 3 and 1. That is 3 and 1y. 3y and 1y. Then minus 3 plus 1y will give us minus 2y. So here we will have y squared minus 3y plus y minus 3 equals to 0. So in this case, y is a factor of these two. We have y into y minus 3. Then we have here 1 is a factor of 2 into y minus 3 equals to 0. So we pick the first one, which is y minus 3 into y plus 1 equals to 0. So we have two parentheses here. It's either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. So from the first one, y minus 3 equals to 0, or we have y plus 1 equals to 0. Here we have y equals to 3, because 3 will transpose into this other side, become positive 3. Or we have y equals to minus 1. In this case, our number of marble cannot be negative. So this is rejected. And the number of marble that was picked, that is silver, equals to 3. So we have 3 marbles. So from our equation that we said that our total number of marble was 7 plus y, where we have 7 plus y, which is 3. 7 plus 3 equals to 10. So we have 10 number of marble inside that basket. And the number of marble that was picked, that is silver, at random, one after the other, without replacement, is 3. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.